Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best toddler vacuum is probably one of the most sought-after gadgets for parents looking to instill a sense of responsibility and fun in their little ones, transforming mundane chores into exciting playtime adventures while also helping to keep your home a little tidier. Imagine the joy on your child's face as they mimic your cleaning routine with their very own, perfectly sized, and safe vacuum cleaner, making them feel like a helpful part of the household team. This isn't just a toy, it's an educational tool designed to engage toddlers in practical life skills from an early age, fostering independence and a positive attitude towards cleanliness. Number 5. Casdon Dyson Ball Miniature Replica. Introducing the Casdon Dyson Ball Miniature Replica, a toy designed for children aged 3 and up. It offers realistic roleplay fun with its twist and turn action. From its twist and turn ball to the clear cylinder, this toy looks just like the real Dyson ball. It's designed for immersive and realistic play. This toy encourages imaginative play while helping to develop coordination and creativity. It enhances core motor skills with every delightful sweep. Little ones can move around independently, mirroring adults and learning through play. It provides a realistic experience for young children. This officially licensed toy comes with realistic sound effects, whizzing colored balls, and twist and turn action. It also features a removable debris drawer for added fun. This toy is suitable for children aged 3 and up. Please note that 4C batteries are required for operation. What we like? This toy offers a highly realistic play experience with its detailed design and functional parts like the removable debris drawer. If you are looking for a toy that truly mimics adult appliances for immersive roleplay, this is a great choice. It's perfect for toddlers who love to imitate grown-ups and engage in detailed pretend play. What people say. It is a real vacuum cleaner that actually sucks up dirt and dust. It is very lightweight and easy for my toddler to carry around. The vacuum cleaner is designed to be safe for toddlers, with no sharp edges or small parts that could be a choking hazard. Number 4. FS Kids Vacuum Cleaner Toy. Get ready for some cleaning fun. This toy vacuum comes alive with exciting lights and sounds to make playtime more engaging. Watch it tilt up and down just like a real vacuum cleaner. It's designed to mimic the actions of household chores for realistic play. This toy encourages imaginative roleplay with friends. Children can learn to share and take turns, simulating household tasks like mom and dad. It helps children develop confidence and understand the importance of keeping things tidy. It can even help overcome any fear of real vacuum cleaners. Made from high-quality, durable, and safe ABS plastic, this toy is built to last. It features smooth edges and vivid colors for worry-free play. Looking for a great gift? This toy vacuum is ideal for toddlers and young children, perfect for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. What we like? This vacuum cleaner toy comes alive with engaging lights, sounds, and fun ball-popping action, making cleaning play exciting. If your child is easily bored and needs sensory stimulation to stay engaged, this is the one. It's also great for helping children overcome any fear they might have of real vacuum cleaners. What people say. It actually picks up small messes like cereal and crumbs. The vacuum is lightweight and easy for my toddler to maneuver around the house. It has a real suction power, not just a toy that blows air. Number 3. Battat Musical Vacuum Cleaner. Get ready for a world of musical fun. This toy vacuum cleaner is packed with exciting lights, sounds, and spinning beats to capture your child's attention. Your child can enjoy listening and singing along to 2 catchy tunes. It's a perfect way to combine playtime with musical enjoyment. As your little one pushes this pretend vacuum around, they'll be actively developing their gross motor skills. It encourages active play and movement. This engaging toy is recommended for children aged 2 years and older. It's designed to provide hours of imaginative play. No need to search for batteries. This toy comes with 3 AAA batteries included, so the fun can start right away. What we like? This toy vacuum cleaner adds a musical twist to playtime with 2 catchy songs and fun spinning beads. If your child loves music and singing while they play, this will be a huge hit. It's ideal for toddlers who enjoy interactive toys that combine movement with auditory fun, encouraging them to sing along as they clean. What people say. It works really well and picks up small messes. The vacuum cleaner is a great size for toddlers and easy for them to handle. It's surprisingly powerful for a toy vacuum and actually picks up small debris like crumbs and dust. Number 2. Meland Kids Cleaning Set. Introducing a cleaning set designed perfectly for little hands. It includes all the common housekeeping tools they need to help out around the house, just like the grown-ups. This toy vacuum cleaner is built for fun and imaginative role play. When they push it along, colorful beads twirl and make sounds, making them feel like they're really cleaning. Playing with this set helps children develop good personal hygiene and the habit of keeping their space tidy. It encourages them to be more independent at home. This toy broom and vacuum set is a great way to improve hand-eye coordination and hands-on skills. It's a wonderful opportunity for them to imitate you and become your little helper. This cleaning set is designed for toddlers and makes a wonderful present. It's perfect for pretend housekeeping role-play games and will keep them entertained for hours. What we like. This comprehensive cleaning set includes a functional toy vacuum and other essential tools, all perfectly sized for little hands. If you want a complete, ready-to-play housekeeping set that doesn't require batteries, this is an excellent option. It's perfect for encouraging independent play and helping children develop good habits of tidiness and responsibility. What people say. It actually picks up small messes like cereal and crumbs. The vacuum cleaner is lightweight and easy for my toddler to maneuver around the house. The design is cute and engaging for children, making cleanup time more fun. Number 1. Smoby Simba Rowenta Cleaning Trolley. Get ready for exciting cleaning adventures. This toy makes realistic vacuum sounds to make playtime even more engaging. This complete set comes with a trolley, a pretend vacuum, and all the cleaning accessories. You can start playing right away. It's designed to fit in any space, perfect for smaller homes. The wheels make it easy for little ones to take it wherever they want to clean. Playing with this helps children learn about helping around the house. It encourages them to be independent and responsible. Made with strong materials, this toy is built for long-lasting fun. It's a quality toy that can be enjoyed for years to come. What we like. This cleaning trolley with an electronic vacuum provides authentic sounds and a complete set of tools for immersive role play. If you have limited space or want a portable cleaning station for your child, this compact and maneuverable trolley is ideal. It's designed to foster a sense of responsibility and independence as children mimic household chores. What people say. It is a great toy for my toddler, she loves it and it actually picks up small messes. This vacuum cleaner is perfect for little ones who love to imitate their parents. It's lightweight and easy for my toddler to handle. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.